Hey friends, this time we set out to find a natural spring deep in the forest. We came across a lowland spot that looked promising, so we followed an old streambed uphill, hoping to uncover a spring source. But the ground was packed tight. We dug hard, even broke a shovel, and in the end, there was nothing. For safety, we had to fill the hole back in. We felt a bit let down, but we still had hope. So we went back to the lowland and gave it another try. It took a lot of effort, but eventually we found a tiny flow of water. Really slow. After 20 minutes, we had only half a liter. Not enough. After thinking it over, we decided to leave it as it was. Maybe some water would still collect there for the forest animals. So we moved on. And guess what? We finally found it. A real, flowing spring. If you enjoy this kind of journey, feel free to subscribe. There's more to come. All right, we're almost there. We're so close to hitting the spring. All these wooden stakes I've been pulling out while digging. They're signs that there used to be a spring right here. And here's the biggest clue. Look at this piece of wood. It's completely soaked. That means the water is near. Really near. Hey friends, it took us 3 tries, but we finally managed to uncover a spring out here in the forest. We sped up the footage, so you can see the whole process, short and clear, without all the hours of digging. It might look easy on screen, but behind every swing of the shovel, there's a lot of hard work. Still, this means a lot to us. Nature needs our help. Water is the first thing life needs. Then comes food. And by the way, very soon, you'll see new videos where we help our smaller forest friends with food too. So stick around. A huge thank you to everyone who's been supporting us. It truly matters to know we're doing something good, and maybe even inspiring someone else to do the same. See you in the next one. There's more to come.